Um, Hello. Uh, we are back with ancestors again. Um, so yeah, we're just gonna get started. So we're gonna be going to the little meteorite over there. But the one thing I've got to test out, I've never seen an Argentavis in this game, or whatever it's called. And I really want to do something about that. So you know what that means? I'm gonna steal the egg. Yeah. Alright, let's do it. I don't see anything, so it looks okay. What actually happens if I take the egg? Nothing? Yep, something definitely does happen. Ah, run! Uh oh. Let's get down here, let's get. Uh oh. Okay, alright. Wasn't what was meant to happen, but okay. Alright, I'm just gonna, you know, shave it. Oh, it was just a little snake. Okay. Oh, just a little snake then. That's fine. Oh, are you serious right now? Alright, let's conquer it. First, we need to. What is it? I think I'm gonna head back this way. I think it'll be safer if I made myself a spear, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Huh, dodge shot. No, I don't wanna go and lose my sanity, so let's just get out of here. When do I get out of here? I should be pretty safe here, so okay, so we got a spear now. So if we find anything, we can beat them up. So let's see what's under here. Lift it. I lift it. I swear, all it is those mushroom things. So annoying. But it says like various items. Let's go. We got a thing now. Hello. Actually, let's get them to kill each other. Yes. Warthog, follow me down here. I need you two to kill each other. Because then I get an evolutionary feat, which is Where's my spear? Where's my spear? Oh, the snake's after me. Screw the spear, screw the spear. Intimidate them, intimidate. That what? No, I definitely didn't intimidate it. Okay, let's just get out of it. Oh, Jesus, oh. Let's just get up here and then we'll try conquer. Yeah. The fiber thing. There it is. No, jump off. Jeez. Alright, risky jump. Oh my god. Right, can we just inspect this? Because there's a lot of these you can find. Probably best thing to use for unloading mine. Anyway, so let's do this. Oh my god, stop jumping off please, but okay, let's do it. Not there yet, not there yet. Oh, there's a lot of things down here. Come on, is there anything else? Well, they are going to be question marks, please. Yes, alright. Alright. We done it. Now we can get that stupid little meteorite. I hope oh my god. Okay, okay. Are you serious right now, bro? Why? No. Okay. Hello. That's it. That's it. You better run. That's it. Run. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's just pick this up and get out of here. Okay. Alright. Another one. Alright. Nice little Titanic bar in the background there. Okay, so we're just gonna head back now. Then I'll probably make a scraper. And then we will scraper yeah. Must just remember where our thing is. Alright, it's over there. I wonder if you can kill the bird. That would actually be a thing. That'd be. I don't know if it's possible. It might be. I mean, I don't know how you're supposed to stab a flying thing, but. Alright, there we go. Well, why do you stop? You gotta inspect it. Let's see if we can get an evolution. Building, yeah. I don't know that. Okay, alright, we're gonna continue this off to the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you didn't like it, and yeah, goodbye.